In this video, you will learn how to add the RSS Feed widget to your Arreya presentation. The RSS Feed widget is an easy way to display a continuously updating feed of stories from a news feed, announcements feed, or other data feed. To begin, log into your channel. In your dashboard, click the Content menu at the top of the page and then click Presentations. Click the green Edit icon on your existing presentation to launch the Arreya Creative Studio. On the top menu bar, click Widgets, then click RSS Feed. The top section shows a preview of how the widget will appear. Below the preview, you will find the widget settings. First, paste the desired RSS feed URL into the Feed URL field. Next, use the Widget Format drop-down to choose how the feed is formatted. You can format the RSS feed in various ways. Text will create a vertical list of the most recent items from the RSS feed. Slideshow for MRSS feeds will create a slideshow of media items from the RSS feed with accompanying title and description below each slide. Marquee will create a scrolling marquee of text from the RSS feed. For the marquee formats, use the speed and direction settings to change the marquee speed and direction. Table will visually display certain RSS data formats like flight information or water levels from the USGS. Marquee for MRSS feeds will create a scrolling marquee of media items from the RSS feed. Raw data will display unformatted data from the feed. An XPath selector can be entered in the Advanced tab to select desired data from the feed. After choosing a format for your feed, use the Item Animation drop-down to choose an animation for when the items in the feed are loaded. Use the Max Items setting to choose how many items from the feed will be displayed in the widget. Use the Separator field to insert a character or text between each item in the feed. Use the title and description to turn on and off the title and description for each item from the RSS feed. In the Advanced tab, you can use the Use Proxy setting to use Arreya's feed proxy, which can aid in situations where HTTPS is not available. Refresh time will set the interval the widget checks for new items in the RSS feed. And lastly, the Regular Expression string field will help accept a regular expression to filter out desired data from the RSS feed. For more information on settings in the Advanced tab, visit our knowledge base article for the RSS Feed widget. When you are finished with the widget settings, click the OK button to add the RSS Feed widget to your page. Drag the widget to move it, or use the bounding box to resize it. Click the purple brush icon below the widget to open the style settings. In the style settings, you have options for the color, transparency, fonts, borders, shadows, and more. When finished, click OK. If you want to adjust the widget settings after adding it to the page, click the purple gear icon below the widget to open the Settings menu. If you need additional RSS feed widgets, you can add additional widgets from the Widgets menu and repeat these steps. When you are finished, click the green Push Live button to update your presentation.